If I can go in the engine compartment and out the back, that would be an amazing feat. Oh! Oh no! Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to play with the new BetaFPV HD 85X. But it's not the 85X, it's the 75X. When BetaFPV approached me, they asked me which one I wanted, and I said, well, I want the 85X. And there's several good reasons for this, not the least of which is that I'm a little bit rough on my quads. As a new FPV pilot, as you can see here, I done broke the 75X. You'll see on the bottom here, it does not have a carbon fiber underframe. This is from an 85X. And the 75X is 10 millimeters smaller, and it's $10 cheaper. If you're going to get one of these, get the 85X. I actually broke the ducting. It's very fragile. If you're a new pilot and you tend to bump into things, you're going to break stuff, just like I did. That little piece that goes on the top here, while it makes the quadcopter look pretty distinctive, it will get snagged on things. Boop! I did order a new hood from BetaFPV.com. It's only $6, so that'll be here soon. But the 75X doesn't come with the carbon fiber underframe. So if you're making the decision on which one to buy, I would say get the 85X, only because it's a little bit more sturdy. And ultimately, it's hard to tell the difference just by looking at them. Here's the 75X and the 85X. 75, 85, 75, 85. It's worth $10 to get the larger one. It's got the new Nano Caddx inside, and I'm gonna fly it through the school bus with no problems, right? Not gonna crash. That's right. The setup was a little convoluted. I think maybe it was just because this is so new. The people that helped me, because I hate beta flight. It's the bane of my existence. The people that helped me, Joshua Bardwell, Chris Skyfox, and Jerry Calverley, they all said that the UARTs were wrong on this. Oh, initially I couldn't figure out why this was in low power mode and wouldn't record. It'll come up in the goggles, low power, cannot record. And Joshua Bardwell told me that what you have to do is just arm it. It'll be in low power mode by default until you arm. So you arm it, then you hit record. Thank you, Joshua. The picture is so good on this. I'll dive bomb myself. Hello, self. Go through my legs? Nah, I can't do it. I want to make it through this school bus. I'll have to go slower. Yeah! I did it!
These little whoops are nimble. They are really great fun to fly. You can go just about anywhere with it. Mine was an FR Sky, so I didn't have the range of a Crossfire. And you have to remember that you're going to lose controllability before you're going to lose the video with this CADDX digital system. So be careful.
Oh man. Looks like I'm going to have to replace something before I can fly again. And that something is the battery.
Yeah, this is the face of someone with overconfidence. In fact, in the FAA handbook under hazardous attitudes and antidotes, this looks like the face of someone who has developed a hazardous attitude that can interfere with the ability to make sound decisions. The FAA lists these attitudes as anti-authority, impulsivity, invulnerability, resignation, and macho. And here comes karma.
Nothing wrong with it.
But no worries, because as everyone knows, FPV is all about rinse, lather, and repeat. If you break it, you fix it. And with a little bit of creativity and elbow grease and imagination, Well, I was able to get this thing back in the air again, good as almost new. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to the FPV community for all of your help and useful advice. Until next time, buh and bye.
That's Thomas. He's helping me. Thank you, Thomas.
Yes, sir. No problem.
He just suggested, hey, Ken, why don't you fly a little drone through the vent hatch? And then out there. And then I said, well, that's because my name's Ken, not Nurk. I'll try it with that.